cancer cases are increasing enormously each year. More than 1 lakh new cases are being diagnosed, and when we talk about India, the situation is even more challenging. There has been an 11% increase in the incidence and 13% increase in mortality due to cancer. Being a woman myself, I understand that a cancer diagnosis can leave you feeling devastated, helpless, and lonely. As a founder of Ramadas, I'm proud to launch a breast care program. We offer a complete horizon under this program, starting from screening to the state of the art oncoplastic preservation surgery and post surgical rehabilitation through our specific surgery related Ayurveda, Panchkarma, physiotherapy, and yoga. Now I take the pleasure and privilege to introduce Dr. Mandeep Malhotra, who is a senior and eminent surgical oncologist having a vast experience of 14 years in this field. At Lamidas, the breast care program is being driven under the guidance and leadership of Dr. Mandeep. Now let's hear the detailed program from Dr. Mandeep himself.
A very happy new year to all of you. I am Dr. Mandeep Malhotra. I am a head and neck and breast oncoplastic surgeon. And I not only operate or remove these cancers, me and my team actually reconstruct or preserve breasts, reconstruct the jawbones, preserve the voices, preserve the voice nerve, preserve the facial nerve, or reconstruct the facial nerve or voice nerve if it is involved in the cancer. During the last year of 2020 of COVID pandemic, there are certain experiences which I want to share with you. Also, there was an article in Scroll which documented the number of deaths which had occurred in India from the month of April till the month of July. So in that article, it was shown that around 35 to 40,000 people lost their lives due to COVID during this time period. So the number of people who lost their lives due to cancer was around 1,30,000. The main reason which we as a fraternity feel for such high death rate due to cancer during this time period is that, first of all, obviously the number of the medical facilities for cancer treatment got limited. Secondly, also due to the fear of COVID, the patient did not come out and seek treatment. So what happened, that by the time the patient reached the cancer facility or they reached for cancer treatment, the cancer had progressed, and that was the major reason for deaths due to cancer. For this very reason, and in a sense of contribution towards the society and also the cancer patients, with the help of Neelkant Group of Hospitals, we have established the La Midas Breast Care Program. I want to share certain aspects of this breast care program. The first and the most important highlight of this program is that it's a COVID-free setup. La Midas is a COVID-free setup, and above this, we are also very stringent in our protocols, in our regulations for protecting both our patients and our healthcare staff from the COVID pandemic. The other aspect is that we are trying to cover all the important modalities which are required for breast cancer treatment. It starts with first the screening and diagnostics. So we have an in-house ultrasound, mammogram and pathology. For advanced diagnostics like MRIs, PET scans and other scans, we have established certain collaborations in our network. We have an operation theatre where we are performing non-complex operations. We also have a daycare, and for radiation again we have established our collaborations and our network. The important aspect which I want to share with all of you regarding our aspects and regarding the collaboration, that we have tried that we collaborate with the best people in town for the trade, like the best radiologists for reading breast MRIs, and also the chemotherapy which is being planned and executed. So I have the support of one of the leading medical oncologists in town who have the largest experience for breast cancer treatment. Similar is our collaboration for radiation therapy. Another aspect which we have kept in mind while establishing these collaborations is that our patient gets the most economical deals, so that they get the best of the treatment at the best of the prices. Our breast care program goes beyond the boundaries of cities and countries. We are trying to offer the most modern concepts of breast cancer treatment to our patients, such as we are introducing the concept of metabolic therapies, dietary modulations to prevent a cancer recurrence, also the concept of integrative oncology like using Ayurveda to relieve stress, to maintain the immunity during the chemotherapy so that the patient is protected from the COVID pandemic also. I want to send a message across to all the women and patients who are suffering from this dreaded disease that we at Lamidas would be really happy and obliged to help you in our best possible capacity. Please do reach us, or you can call us on the numbers provided or mail us in the email ID which is provided below. Thank you very much and have a great year ahead. Thanks a lot.